Let's crochet a body of baby chick. Round 5. Start 12 groups of single crochet stitch and increase stitch. Remove the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 4. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 5. And use the stitch marker again, under only 2 strands of yarn. Crochet the first increase stitch of round 5. 1 SC stitch. In the same hole, crochet the second SC stitch. Group 1 finished. In round 5, we will crochet 12 groups with SC and increase stitch. An increase stitch is shorthand for putting 2 single crochet stitches in the same hole. 1 single crochet stitch. 1 increase stitch. Group 3 finished. Let's crochet the 4th one. Okay, group 4 finished. One group will occupy 2 stitch holes and appear 3V at the rim of the circle. As for the increase stitch, Group 5 finished. If the yarn is too tight, we can adjust its length. Great! We've finished half of round 5. 1 single crochet stitch. Next stitch. 1 single crochet stitch of increase. Same stitch hole. 2 single crochet stitch of increase. Group 7 finished. 1 SC stitch. Next stitch. 1 SC stitch of increase. Same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Group 8 finished. If it's hard to pull the yarn through, rotate the hook will work. If you forget the following stitch, count the V at the rim of the circle from the stitch marker. Group 10 finished. Group 11 finished. Last group left in round 5. Round 5 finished. Stitch with marker is the first stitch. There are totally of 36 stitches. Count the V for confirmation. From round 6 to round 9, we will crochet 36 single crochet stitches every round. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 5. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 6. The first SC stitch finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 6. The second SC stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. If it's hard to pull the yarn through, pulling as well as rotating the hook will work. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. 10. Until now, we've crocheted 10 single crochet stitches. 11. 12. 13. 14. If piece start curling, push the middle part until it curves the other way. Then keep crocheting to the left. 16. 17. 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hard to pull. Rotate the hook as well as pull it. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. For the righty, push the middle part, if the piece still curling, to make the right side face out. Let's crochet round 7, which is the same crochet process as round 6. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 6. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 7. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 SC. Finished. Let's crochet round 8. 36 single crochet stitches. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 7. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 8. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 Sc. Finished. Let's crochet round 9. 36 single crochet stitches. Remove the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 8. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 9. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 Sc. Finished. There are totally 9 lines. That means we've finished 9 rounds.